There you go. My bad, a little bit late. I don't know if this gets to show. I probably shouldn't be showing this. So basically, let me double check here to make sure. This is a lot of lines. Well, actually, no, it's not too bad. We'll go here into animated scoreboard. This is not me saying that you should edit any plugins on your own. I'm not making any edits. I am just looking for information because there is no actual documentation for this specific plugin, which is animated scoreboard. I am looking for documentation to signify that I can use some kind of like, it looks like an HTML kind of format for editing, especially like when you want to use scroll or something like that. Basically, if you want to use scroll, you would use less than sign scroll, and then you would close it, and then you would have the words in between the scroll. And then you would do the same thing at the end, right? I'm not so sure what he has listed for those, because I saw it for the hearts, but I didn't see it for anything else. So we're gonna look for display, maybe offline. Here we go. So he does have something like that. Here we go. We have a scroll, right? Update, stay, repeat. I was looking for one, hopefully that would have one for ping, but it doesn't look like there is one for ping. Right? We have a default line class. Default line extends player scope bar line, player, public, player, string, boolean. Okay. Should stay, should update. Okay, so these are, and then public player, get player, return this player. These are all the arguments that you can send for this specific one, and I guess this is called just a default line, because you have one for health. Whoops, you have one for health, so I can look at health here, and then here it says health attributes, right? And then you have one for should update, and then the strings, these are the arguments right here. So if max health is less than health, max equals health. Okay, so string full, half, or empty. If one of the arguments is full, half, or empty, then they'll return whatever, you know, it checks parse value, right? If you are full, if you are half, or if you are empty, and then it returns that specific thing. I was hoping there would be one for ping. That's why I was looking for this. There doesn't seem to be one for ping, unfortunately. And again, I'm not telling anybody to go, you know, unpack jar files and do all this stuff. You shouldn't. You know, I'm not editing it. I'm just looking, because there's no documentation whatsoever. If I go to animated scoreboard documentation, right, and then you can see here that it doesn't, there isn't even one for the health. Like this is all the documentation it has, unless animated scoreboard itself has a website, which they should have posted at the top of this for documentation, but they didn't. It doesn't even tell you about the health one. You have to actually go into one of the, does he have it here? Default config, default scoreboard. Okay, so it should be here. Right, so you would have to edit the default scoreboard and then see this in the default scoreboard and then be like, oh, wow, so you can do it based on health. I didn't know. I didn't know either. I had no clue until I saw the health one, and then I was just like, oh, okay, cool. And then I was like, okay, maybe, I mean, he made the plugin. Maybe he thought, oh, maybe I should also make one for ping. Or any non-constant value. You know, I probably would have made it myself, but he didn't. So there's no way for me to use that specific thing. So like right here, see, just less than health, and then here's the arguments, right? Full, half, empty, whatever the colors are, and then how many times the update. I guess once every 5 ticks. And then it will print that many in hearts, and then he closes it, which kind of sucks. I guess if I really what the, let me try another Microsoft account. Oh, holy crap, I might be echoing actually. There you go. Hopefully I'm not echoing anymore. Well, I'm probably still echoing, but now it doesn't sound so, it doesn't sound real dumb with music in the background, right? Spam. And then here we go. Yo, Triple, what are you doing? I'm streaming, by the way. But what are you doing, bro?
Shaper Zero said, "It built a blacksmith building for blacksmith."
You built a blacksmith building for blacksmiths? Oh yeah, that looks good, dude. That looks pretty good.
I'm on Vermintide.
On Vermintide? Dude, did you see that game I sent you?
Yeah, I think I had it on my list before.
Oh, it looks good, man. It looks good. Oh yeah. Dang, Dylan, this is a good blacksmith. Oh, you even put a sword of... Oh yeah, dude. Where's your brother? Where's your little brother? What if we make a little sword-looking symbol over? Let me look at this game I sent you real quick. Where it goes specifically to ores. Oh yeah, but you can still go back to this.
He's all asleep.
He's asleep? Okay. So should I change it so that you can't go back and every shopkeeper is just that one thing? Because I can do that. I can make that change. Go double check margin there. What do you think? Think that'd be a good idea?
You need to fix the buy limit and sell limp things. The prices too.
Okay. Let me check Ultimate Shop. Shops. Yeah, I'll have to change everything else, but for minerals specifically, here we go. Buy times reset mode. Sell limits. Why? Economy vault. Products. Is this for every single one? It is. It's timed. All permissions, buy time resets. Okay, let me try this real quick, okay? We'll do it on Notepad++. Make it easier. We're gonna find, replace, never. Find next. We're gonna replace it with... What? Buy more. Example shop menu. What? God, I hate it. I hate it whenever they don't have any information whatsoever. Blocks. Nope. They don't have any documentation. There's no comment either. Nope. What? There's no comments, no information? Why would you make a mod? Maybe Ultimate Shop. Or it's not a mod, it's a plugin. Ultimate Shop. Maybe they have documentation. Commands and permissions. Okay. Menu. Format. Item format. Action format. Here we go. Give me 1 second, Dylan. Okay, my bad, I'm back. Okay, so synchronize with the reset time on the specific random placeholder. This is premium only. This is premium only. Premium. Okay. It will reset after the time you specify. It will reset at the corresponding time. Okay, we'll just do timer. Timer. Replace all. And then let's check for timed. Replace all. Okay. Then we will look for this one. These are all times, right? It is.
Carols _BF Jackson _Mass Chat said, hey mate, me and my buddies from the Australia military are here to wish you good luck. You have about 1,000 military men watching you right now.
Really? Thanks, bro. Thanks for wishing me good luck, dude. Australia military. Oh, that's crazy, dude. Thanks, man. Thanks for the good luck wishings. And that's crazy, dude. Shops, minerals. Okay. Is this correct? You can double check. Amethyst shard, coal, it is. Save. Ultimate shop, reload. Okay, what do we got here? Player server buy stock. Why is there no? Oh, maybe I need to check for stock. Find stock. There's no stock. There's a max amount. Much a diamond? 500k? Max amount 5,500. Oh right, we have a minimum, or I mean we have a multiplier on this. This is white. Maybe it's in items? No, it's in data, maybe? No, that's just data stored. Yeah, maybe let me check this one. There's no stock. There's no stock. Premium version only. Man, I thought Ultimate Shop was gonna be good, but I'm not gonna lie, this turns me off about whatever this, like you can't even edit anything. I mean you can edit like value and stuff, but it's terrible, dude. It's terrible. Okay. This is the main menu. Okay, this is the, I'm guessing, selector menu. Next refresh time is what? 1:27 in the morning? Daily. There's a daily shop menu. Daily shop menu. Special items might be daily shop menu. Period is change. I'll have to change that. No, there's a special here. Start apply. Let's start apply. I'm gonna change that to a random number. What? Give. Oh, do I have to specify a name? Whoops. Server buy stock. Okay, well that's pretty cool. You can no longer purchase item diamond. All players buy this item 37 times the stock is 37. Next refresh time. The server sell limit. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I mean, I figured it would be here. Like, when you want to set information for a specific item, I figured it would be here. I'm like, okay, well, apply or whatever. I have it set to timer, so every minute it should reset. But unless this isn't a minute and this is an hour, even then it wouldn't be at 7 in the morning. Okay, so we'll find this, and then we'll change. Oh, we'll replace it. Oops. Okay, so the timer actually works.
Redstone is $3.03.
Yeah, $3.30. Oops. Oh, I hate the fact that you can't control F there. It's so weird. Material redstone 3.3. I wonder if let me try something. If I do 0.1, will it just find all the 0.1s? And then can I just replace all the 0.1s with zeros? And then do the same thing for 0.2s? And then 0.3s? And 0.4s? And just go down the list?
Oh my god, this is not good. This is not good.
Who is that in the background?
Oh, it's my friend on Discord.
Shit.
You can hear him? Oh, that's crazy. He's not in the best background, he's on Discord.
He should join the server.
He's playing a whole different game. Okay, redstone is now $30. That piece is super cheap though. I'll have to go through and look at it later. The issue I'm having is why doesn't the server itself start with anything? Like so much for a freaking. This isn't even an ultimate shop plugin anymore. It's basically just an auction house. That's literally what this is. I might as well just type in auction house, and it's the same thing. I can't buy crap. I can definitely sell. Like if I wanted to sell, where's it at? Here's my own auctions. There's. I don't remember how to sell. Oh, you know what? I hold it in my hand. That's what it was. And then you do auction, sell. And then I set it for, I don't know, 10,000. Right? Access is 500. Okay. Maybe one at a time would be better. Access is 500, I confirm. And then now when I type in AH on the auction house for 10,000. Like it's the same thing. The only difference is this auction house. What the heck? Oh, you bought it. LOL. This auction house doesn't have a UI for me to do things. On the other hand, this does have a UI. But you can't buy anything. It's empty. You can only sell. I mean, it's instant sell, I guess. That's cool. But why don't I just use the island shop then? Because the island shop I can also instant sell. Right? Or, here you go, here's diamonds right here. An instant sell. Do it as many times as I want. Why would I use this when, you know, this is better? Like, Ultimate Shop, if you're the creator of Ultimate Shop, what are you thinking, dude? Why would you make a shop add-on that doesn't have anything? It's just a UI. Right, Dylan? It's just a freaking UI. I could make this UI. If I wanted to, I could make this. I already did. I changed this, you know, I made this island shop button. Hell, I made this. Like, yeah, it would take me some time, but even I can make this. Like, this is not. Why would you do that, Ultimate Shop?
Done, or is it a work in progress?
No, dude, it's a full-fledged add-on, and he charges for it. What? That's the same thing like if you were modding Skyrim to change the UI or something like that, I guess, and you can't do anything with the UI unless you pay.
Auction houses where people can sell anything AD and earn money, like go to any server, they will have an auction house.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna keep the auction house so that players can sell to players. But I'm thinking about removing Ultimate Shop because the island shop, the one that comes with the Iridium Skyblock, this is more flushed out. And I can change the prices on these things. Like, yeah, right now they're cheap. You can buy a freaking 16 logs. You can buy, what is that? That's like 3 trees. You can buy 3 whole trees for $100. You know, like that's, maybe I'll change it later or something. I mean, the sell prices, I guess that makes sense. I mean, it's easy to make trees. So that you sell it for $10. You sell, what does that say? Yeah, you sell three whole trees for $10. I guess that's fine. We can leave it like that. But what kind of sucks is we can't. I mean, technically we can. Technically we can, because if I type in island shop and then
right-click the shopkeeper.
Blocks. This specific command right here, island shop blocks, will pull up specifically the blocks menu, this menu. So technically, yeah, see, you can even change him to like food and he'll just be a food guy. If you type in island shop food, and it only pulls up food. And then you can't do anything else. You know what? You know what's even crazier? This is even better than Ultimate. Iridium Skyblock is free. Completely free. And this is a better mod or plugin than Ultimate Shop, the one that is being charged for. That is insane. That is insane. So, okay, so like for example, this one, you type in Island Shop ores, it pulls up only ores. And then look, like that's, and then if I want to go change it, watch how easy it is for me to change. I go to Iridium Skyblock, I go to shop, and then here, it's much bigger. It's much bigger, but I mean,
Oh my god, we're getting swarmed.
I don't know what the guy was thinking. The guy who made this plugin, but it's kind of convoluted.
Changed the blacksmith to go to the island shop ores.
But if I, for example, wanted to change something, it's so easy to understand. Like, okay, for example, diamond. Okay, there's diamond, and it's easy. You can change the lore. There's no commands. Default amount is 8. The slot in the menu, the cost of the item, and how many you buy. You buy 8 for 1,000. You sell 8 for 100.
We could get rid of the ultimate shop. We have no use for it.
Yeah, I'm beginning to. I feel. I mean, dang, dude. What sucks is that I at the beginning I liked it a lot, and I was like, oh my god, this. And what's really cool about Ultimate Shop is I can add my own personal items if I wanted to. They have an items tab, which I'm assuming is used for custom item. But I'll just do it the hard way if everything is locked behind a paywall anyways, right? We'll just leave it for now. I'll remove it later. But now we know.
Can you add more pages to the island shop? To sell different things? Like weapons and tools?
Yeah. Yeah, I can. That's why I like, well, the thing about Iridium Skyblock is it adds a lot of things. Like, okay, so not this one. Wait, are those biomes not? There's other biomes.
For the blacksmith and then have a miner to buy and sell ores?
Why? Wait, what?
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Go to shops. Okay, so let me show you how, you know what, let me use VS Code instead. VS Code looks prettier. Okay. VS Code is much prettier. I like VS Code better. Alright, so it shows you categories. Right? So you have blocks, foods, ores. And then when you go to here, you have blocks, food, ores, right? And it correlates with that specific slot. Slot.
So you could add weapons and tools?
Yes. So for example, here after ores, this would be technically slot, what, 16? 15. All I have to do is just take ores, copy it into the next, what are you doing? Copy it into the next area. Like, what the hell? Okay, there. Good? You're good. We're gonna call this weapons. Okay, and we'll change it to, oops, netherite sword. Okay, display name is gonna be weapons. Oh crap. Weapons. What's a good color for weapons? We'll make it, I'll just put C here, it's cool. Skull data, nothing, changes to 15. Okay. Then after that is changed, we look for the category. For example, ores. You can see that right here, right?
Weapons and tools for the category name.
Oh, you want to make it just one whole thing? Okay. Category name, weapons and tools. Okay. Wait, is there a Paxel? Is Paxo Minecraft? No, it's not. Okay, anyways. Then we go look for ores. This is the actual category. Okay, we can go and we can just close that up right there. As you can see, the categories are actually pretty big. Let me go and close all these real quick. Not this one. Let's just close all the categories because this thing is huge. This thing is massive.
How long have you been working on this shit?
Dude, I was thinking about it at work and I was just like, man, how am I supposed to make it look good, you know what I'm saying? And it just, I can't believe like it's so terrible. Yeah, there's like 100 lines of code right here. It's insane. Thankfully, this looks good. We'll just change this temporarily to weapons. Wait, what do I have set to in the categories? Yeah, I have it set to weapons. Let's change it to weapons. I think the and sign is gonna mess it up. We'll just call it weapons tools. I don't wanna mess it up. Weapons tools. Okay. Copy this for now. We will go into here. We will paste it. We will save it, and then we will do a reload. Oh, whoops. And then reload. Boom. See how easy that is? And Ultimate Skyblock couldn't even... I mean, Ultimate Shop, like, oh! You're a crazy ass plugin developer, dude. You should have gave us the option to make it so that... Okay, now I can change this. Right, so I can go into here. Let's go and close up ores, because we're done with ores now. Hey, what the heck? Uh-oh. Did I delete ores? I think I did. Let me go back.
Miller V2Y said I'm protesting. Make Minecraft free.
Minecraft is free. Okay, let me copy this. I accidentally deleted a whole category.
Now to add like iron and diamond tools and weapons? And maybe even netherite?
Oh.
Miller V2Y said hey? When? Miller V2Y said I remember you had to pay.
Yeah, you have to pay for a non-cracked version. Oh. Crazy. I'm not telling you to crack Minecraft. I'm just kidding. Okay. So, I'm just gonna do this the easy way. I'm just gonna copy this. I'm just gonna open up a new one and then paste. I can't do that. I gotta do it like this. Oh! Okay, open up a new one. We'll paste this one. And the reason why I wanted to do this easier is, okay, do you see the way I did it right here? I'm just gonna do a find, replace, redstone. Ooh, it has to be in... Oh, dude. It's not... It's in all caps for the thing I forgot. Whatever, I can do it by hand. It's not a big deal. What do you want to do first?
Going to a different Twitch ACC cause my username is weird here.
Okay, Dylan. I'm gonna do the very first thing that comes up on the creative. We're gonna do pickaxe. Wait, is it pickaxe first? And we're gonna do tag tools. Tag tools, you can't use tags?
Dylan Carl Shapiro said, hello.
Oh, your middle name is Carl. It's a shovel. The first thing is a shovel. So we will do wooden shovel. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to do this a whole bunch of times. Is that the actual tag of this?
Oh,
yes,
no.
it's actually wooden shovel. Wooden shovel. Okay, let's make sure this works before I do anything else. Because I'm not so sure how the tag's actually made. It looks like it reads it normally. So hopefully it is normal. Oops. Okay. Oh, look, it's a shovel. Oh my god. Can I buy 16 shovels? Oh, yeah. 16 shovels. Sell 16 shovels. Nice. Nice. Dude, you see how good this is? Like, Ultimate Shop could... Ultimate Shop. You guys fucking crazy developers. Okay, so now we have a wooden shovel. We're gonna have to do this for... There's a lot of tools. I'm not gonna lie. What is there? There's wooden, stone, copper, iron, gold, diamond. Wooden, stone, copper, iron, gold, diamond, netherite. And then there's 4 of each, so it's 28.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna have to make 28 of these. What is the size of this? This is actually pretty good. It's actually pretty good. They give you a 36. I think you can actually change this within the categories. Yeah, because look, blocks inventory size is 54. That's crazy. Do you know how crazy that is? The person who developed this plugin makes custom inventories. This is a...
Bionic 4B said yes, smiling face with smiling eyes, Minecraft.
Yeah, Minecraft. This is a custom inventory, Dylan.
Bionic 4B said I love Minecraft.
Isn't that crazy, dude? Like, this is a 54 inventory slot. Custom menu. It's not a double chest. I don't even think double chests are 54 slots. I'm gonna double check. Oh, they are 54 slots. Okay, whatever. But the other one, this one, like food, like this is not a custom inventory, you know, because a chest isn't that. A chest is only 27.
Bionic 4B said I subscribed.
Thanks, bro. Thanks for the subscription. This is custom, bro. Like, that's insane. Oh, that's so good. Wait, can I make this a weird size? Can I change this to like 37? Please work. Please work. I will love you forever. This work. Please work. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. It doesn't even open the inventory. Dang it. I was hoping it would work. Maybe it has to be a multiple. It has to be a multiple of 9. What about 63? Well, maybe not 60, not 363, but 63.
Bionic 4B said why you look like that.
I'm a piece of bread. That's why I look like this. Okay, let me try this. Oh no, it won't let me do 63 either. Dang it. Dang it. I don't remember what this was. 36, I think it was. Maybe there's a specific size you can do. Yeah, it works. It works with 36. It won't let me do any other custom or any other sizes. Inventory size, slots. I might have to go look at the actual plugin to see what dictates specific inventory sizes.
Bionic 4B said then put batter on your face.
Butter? Butter or batter? Yeah, I can even do 45. I'll leave it at... You know what? Let's make it 45. Or let's make it 54. Yeah, it works at 54. And then for 27... What did I say it was? No, I said it was 24.
Bionic 4B said yes you are bread.
Well... Okay, let me just go ahead and make the changes first, and then we will come back and do everything else, okay? Let me do all the items, and then we'll come back and do everything else. Okay. Let me add all the items here. It goes pickaxe, axe, hoe. Okay. So let's change this first. Only one. One. Copy this.
Bionic 4B said, "Why you looking like that?"
Why does it do that? Oh. Okay, never mind, that's the right way. Okay. And then we'll just change shovel here. To pickaxe. Okay, and then what is this one? Axe. Oops. Axe. Oh.
Bionic 4B said, "Do you know the Minecraft YouTuber Bionic?"
No? Is that you? Are you the Minecraft YouTuber named Bionic? Okay, and then we just delete everything else. Yep. Right, and then I'll just copy this for the next one. And it starts off with shovel. So instead of wooden, it's now going to be iron. You know, I could probably just right here.
Bionic 4B said, "Nope."
Oh, it worked for all of them. Dang it. Caps. Match case. Replace. Iron.
Bionic 4B said, "You need to take notes for him."
Enter, 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 enter. Perfect. We'll just do it as easy as possible. And then wooden. Iron. Then enter, enter. Nope. Where am I at?
Dear.
Done. Okay. I need to change slots. Let me check slots on this. So this is 11. It would be 10. Actually, should we just go sideways? What did I say it was? There's 7 types, right? Sideways would be best. Sideways would be best. We can even have it like this. Yeah, sideways would be best. Okay, so what is this slot?
Bionic 4B said, "You need to take notes from him. You need his mods."
I don't need his mods. I'm doing good. This is perfect. Okay, so this is 10. Wait, this is not 10. This is 9.
Oh no!
So this would be 10. This would be 11. What? Oh, the first one's 0. My bad, the first one's 0. What is this diamond? This real quick. Okay, so this is 11. This is 12. Diamond is 21, so it's 20. 20 is here. This is 10. Okay, so it's just plus 9. Whatever it is, plus 9. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so 19. This should be 28. It should be
Bionic
37.
4B said, "Play Minecraft, bro. 'Cause you are just fooling around."
I'm not fooling around. You want to see something really cool, Bionic? Want to see something really cool, Bionic? Hey, Bionic, you see this? You see this menu right here? You see this wooden shovel? I added that wooden shovel. Now watch what happens.
Bionic 4B said yes.
Watch what happens when I replace this right here.
Bionic 4B said yes.
Okay. What? I messed up somewhere. What did I mess up? Maybe this isn't called a wooden hoe. No, it's called a wooden hoe. Axe? What is an axe called? Wooden axe, wooden pickaxe, and then a wooden shovel. That should be correct. Iron shovel, iron pickaxe, axe, iron hoe. Is correct. Up. Oh, you know what? I think it's because it doesn't have the ability to place the slots here. There we go. That's why. Oh, they're in the wrong places. What happened to this axe? You know what? The axe, I think, was supposed to be here. Or we're supposed to be here. Oh, no, it's supposed to be here. And the hoe is gone. Okay, so 45 isn't enough. Okay. 4. Why is this axe still messed up? What did I do to this wooden axe?
Bionic 4B said, okay, so what the main thing? What are you doing with all of those codes?
We are setting up a shop, Bionic, and we are setting up this shop so that you can get all these tools. And here it is. See that? So now you can buy tools. You could buy blocks. There's tools here. Maybe I need to add. I probably need to move this one down. Maybe I'll move these one down. Right, but you can buy blocks.
Bionic 4B said, what's your favorite color?
No.
Game.
Favorite color is red. Favorite number is 5. Favorite game is a lot. I actually have a lot of games, Bionic. But I can't play them because, well, I play them on my off time. I don't play them on stream. Because people don't like me watching, or people don't like watching me play anything else but Minecraft for some reason. But that looks good, man. Does that look good, Dylan? It's gonna go all the way across. Gonna go wooden, iron, gold.
Bionic 4B said, then you can customize your own tools. Now make sounds like a rainbow tools or like a multitude or something because it's a vanilla stuff Minecraft vanilla stuff.
I forgot stone and copper. Kill me. Okay, let me go back. Okay. I wish there was a way to group these properly. Oh wait, there is a way to group these properly. Right here.
Is there a key around here or something?
Iron tools. Okay. Ooh, I was about to say, dude. I can't group things. I'm gonna be so mad.
Alright.
Hopefully this works.
Ammo.
Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna do it here. Okay. Oh, I can't close? I can't close by... I can't. It won't let me.
Oh.
At least this tells me. Double check to make sure this works. Oh. Double check to make sure that having a comment block there isn't gonna break something. Okay, it doesn't break anything.
4B said make something like a giant pickaxe.
You mean like this giant pickaxe right here?
Oh no! I got a healing.
I didn't make that. Dylan's brother made that. Pretty good though.
What do you
Gonna
got?
be on the server forever. We're leaving it there. Okay. Let's start. Let's get to work. I will have it in the background so that people don't get bored. Okay. I will have it in the background. Like that. I'm gonna have to go into the source plugin for animated scoreboard.
Try this
And-
gate right here.
Try to. I can't make changes to. I don't actually. Let me go look at the licensing real quick. Animated scoreboard license. Minecraft plugin. It tells you the license here on this. Never mind. It doesn't tell you the
Bionic
license.
4B said like a giant peacock so too that you can use.
Oh my god. There's no license anywhere. There's no license anywhere. I'm assuming it's all rights reserved. Most proprietary code is all rights reserved, which means you cannot modify, sell, or distribute their code. You can probably use it for private use, right? In all rights reserved, you can use code personally. I am personally using it on my server, but nobody can actually see the code, copy it, use it, edit it, etc. I mean, I can obviously I can go look at it, but I'm not going to do anything to it. I can't make changes to it because it's probably all rights reserved. And I'm not gonna mess around with that. So, oh well. Oh, you can add lore to it? What does this look like?
Bionic 4B said can you teach me how to use a command block?
What do you... a command block? Oops.
Oh, it's finally here.
One of these? Talking about how to use one of these things right here? Let me give myself a button. Oops. Oops. Oh wait, what do I have it set to?
No. No, 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 no.
Bionic 4B said yes.
What? Advanced mode not enabled.
Damn
Always active. Why do I not have it give? Didn't this already work? Advanced mode not enabled. What is this? Is this a plugin?
Bionic 4B said my text is coming late because of our time zone.
Is that a plugin? What do you...
Bionic 4B said try/give.
Oh my god,
No,
get me out of that.
/give is gonna work. We're not trying to /give. I just shouldn't have to turn on cheats in the server to use a command block. No, that's not even a... Yeah. It should work automatically. What? Command blocks is a... Oh... Really? I didn't know it was in the server properties. I thought it just worked. That's crazy. I didn't even know it was a thing. Oh, you know what? Let me go and stop this. I'm just gonna remove ultimate shop while I'm here. We don't need that thing. Trying to make us pay for it. Delete the whole thing. Everything. Where's my plugins? Never again.
What?
Okay, while we're waiting for the server to load up, let me go keep doing this real quick. Is it stone tools and then copper tools? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Okay. Dylan might have been AFK right there. Oh. Oh, I'm already up. Well, does the button not work? Does it have to be a lever? Oh, whoops, need redstone. There we go. The command block is literally just whatever you can type here as a command. Like, let's say for example you want to teleport, you can execute in the nether, run gp me 0680. Wait, what?
Oh my god, why can I not make this jump now?
Oh.
There we go.
Did I break something else? Oh no, I can go to nether. I didn't break anything. I don't know what happened. Why is it not letting me teleport myself to the nether, though?
Bionic 4B said, am I the only one in your child while the other people not talking?
Yeah, some people don't talk. Some people just watch. Some people just like to listen to me. I don't know. I see my son there. I don't know what Dylan's doing. I think Dylan's AFK. Okay, you guys can have the game in the background. What's the time? Day. Break this block. You need a path. Okay. And since this guy's set to ores, thankfully. That's so good, dude. I love that. There's a back button. Oh, you know what's even better? Dylan made it. Dylan set him to ores. Oh wait, there's a back button. Wait, no, there's not. There's not a back button. There's a back button when you use the shop too. When you use the island shop button, which I'll probably remove this since we're making the NPCs anyways. There might not even be a reason to have these guys. Okay, let's go back to doing this. We'll copy this, come down here, and then literally do the same thing. And we will find we can do this first. Yep. Why did I do that 5 times? That's why I did it 5 times. It's not supposed to be open. Not supposed to be open either.
No way.
Okay. Why are you doing this to me?
No. No, 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 no. Are you alive?
We have to come back and change the slots on those. Okay. Go change the slot on these. Okay. The stone should be 11, 20, 9,
No.
38. Copper is 12, 21, 30, 39. Iron is 13, 22, 31, 40. All this 4. Yep. 14, 23, 32, 41, and is 15, 24, 30, 33, 42, last netherite, which is 16, 25, 44, 43. Okay. Yeah, that works. Where am I at? Oh. Wrong one. What happened? There's something up here. Wooden tools is in there twice.
Okay.
You white bitch, give me some chon chon.
Guys,
Hmm?
what's up?
What's up, dude?
Tell me.
Come on now, dog.
Oh,
Come
shoot.
on, man.
Oh, you come on, leave. Maybe there's a problem with the name.
Hey, did you guys hear about the Asmongold? I mean, sorry. That Nick Shirley clip what he did for that Channel 5 interview? Like he was being biased. Like he edited some shit.
What are you talking about? Who did?
I forgot his name. The guy that exposed
Yes.
the whole Somali. Okay, so he did an interview with Andrew, the Channel 5 news guy.
Okay.
And apparently, I saw this on Asmongo clips, and apparently the Andrew guy from Channel 5 was being biased, like he was editing some of the footage, like he wasn't showing the entire interview, like the raw footage. And there was one part of the video where he says like, oh, like the guy that
So
exposed
the
the whole,
guy from All Gas and No Brakes was editing stuff.
yeah, like he was like he was making the guy that made the video of exposing the Somalians look like a bit racist. And he says like, okay, but like why do you think most of these cities, cities, like I'm just saying like as an example, like Chicago or California, like why they think they fell? And he said, oh, it's because it's all Democrat cities. Here, I just have to find it right here. It was on Asmongold clips.
Oh, yeah,
Okay. Copy link. Here, I'm gonna send this to you. I'll send to you, John, if you want to see it.
Oh, I wanted to ask you. I think I remember this, but Lockgate is the only way to get the Bobcat, right?
Yes. I asked my friend if he had any extra ones. He hasn't encountered anything. But he'll keep an eye out for me for a Bobcat blueprint.
But
My employee did the most impressive thing on construction. I guess in India, this guy used like a rolling pin.
oh yeah,
Paint, and the guy he just shovels and then he just hammers the. Oh, dude, I was dying. Oh, there's a part two of fucking Dragon Ball. Oh, dude. Dragon Blood. What the fuck? Oh my god, fatherless pin. Oh my god, dude. Nigga levels over 9,000. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit, dude. Oh my god. Dude. I guess I gotta go.
All right, man.
Later.
Later.
Ew, that's why. That's so dumb, dude. Are you serious? The item exists. You can't actually give it. Yeah. Copper doesn't actually exist in item form. That's really dumb. Okay. So everything else should work, right?
Wow. That is so dumb.
What happened?
I haven't checked out the clip yet, but if that's true, that guy ruined his entire reputation. The Channel 5 guy, the all gas, no brakes.
Well, it's done. Damn, that took me a while to debug. Just the fact that it was just copper. Apparently and give yourself a copper shovel, but it exists. Unknown item name, copper shovel. Guess what? If I type in shovel, there's a copper shovel. Hell, I can even pick it up. It works. Oh wait, I'm in creative mode. Okay. I mean, that's done though. Tools. Weapons though. I probably should have put swords up here. That makes me wonder why I can't increase this to 63. Yeah, it doesn't work at 63. Maybe it's a Minecraft thing. I should probably add the swords up here.
Oh yeah, you see the game I linked. Did I link that to you already? Let's see.
Which game?
I did.
Ooh. I didn't know you can do that. There we go.
The dual corp game or whatever. It looks kind of interesting. Don't really know how I feel about it, but go ahead. This guy's ass.
Done. Done, Dylan. I'm done. I'm gonna go back and change the prices later. I guess I can do them now. I'm already here. I'm gonna go back and change the prices later. I guess I can do them now. I'm already here. I'm gonna go back and change the prices later. pretty good. Yeah, what the? There we go. Pretty good. Oh crap. Oops. There we go. That's pretty good. Alright guys, I gotta end my stream. I gotta jump out. Everybody that jumped in, watched me make that whole menu in this whole shop. Just saying. Catch you guys tomorrow.